Now to a developing story about a scheme that a group of district attorneys said defrauded the state of California out of about $1 billion. Prison inmates and accomplices reportedly exploiting the pandemic unemployment assistance program. And now Bank of America is saying the amount of money stolen may be closer to $2 billion. San Diego County District Attorney Stephan is investigating possible fraud at Donovan Correctional Facility and the county jails. And she joins us now to talk about this unbelievable case. First of all, welcome.
Good to be with you on this important story.
It really is. Can you explain all of this money being taken? What does that mean for the honest people who've been counting on this money from the EDD, and in terms of whether they will ever see it?
Well, exactly. We see the pain in our communities, hardworking people that are still waiting for their checks, businesses that are looking for some help. This is where every penny needs to be spent very wisely to support the people who need it, and not life prisoners that are in prison that are defrauding the system, including those who have committed rape and murder, people on committed capital crimes. We're unraveling really an unprecedented level of fraud that we've never seen before at this scale.
Now, there have been reports.
Very sad.
Yeah, absolutely. And there have been reports that high-profile prisoners like Scott Peterson were involved in this. Do you know who else may have been involved, anyone we may know, and also how many prisoners just in San Diego County alone may have been involved in this?
Well, we don't know the exact number. This is why we wrote the governor. This type of investigation takes so many resources. As we continue to fight for our street crimes, to make sure that our community is safe, we're having to divert huge resources to bring forensic accountants, to bring information sharing, to bring all sorts of investigative tools to unravel this large-scale fraud. We know that it's in the hundreds, if not thousands. We received documents that we served through the federal government, a federal subpoena, to receive actual information, and the hard numbers that we have right now on cases we can go after are around $150 million. These can be tracked directly to prisoners in the prison systems. This doesn't include the jails, but we know those numbers are very high. The best we can say from our preliminary examination is for San Diego County, we're going to be at about 5 million at a minimum. And so we're investing a lot of effort, but the main thing that we have asked for, that we've written about, is we must stop the bleed. Because right now there's no system in place that's going to stop this fraud from continuing. So we must implement cross-matching. That's a system where before a check is sent out, it cross-matches against the list of prisoners that we know that the California Department of Corrections has their names.
And we know there were different methods used, including identity theft, and that a lot of prisoners had accomplices on the outside that helped perpetrate this. Is there any chance that we're going to be able to recoup that money?
You know, it's very hard. We've asked the California Department of Corrections, we meet with them regularly, to put a freeze on any of the trust accounts of the prisoners that they see this money flowing into. They don't have a way to determine exactly, but there has to be a trigger. If these accounts normally receive a couple of hundred in a month and now they're seeing thousands, to put a freeze on them.
District Attorney Stephan, I know this is obviously not the last we'll hear about this. We appreciate you talking to us, and good luck in your investigation.
Thank you.